It's all about facts. Abusia, do you know say Ghana has say you come mfimfini mantema a central region your fact bi wo hono ma yanka nkyere wa unnim Ghana hanye ni padodo na nanim but a low key say yanka the biggest palace the whole Africa, not even Ghana only but the whole Africa. You can the biggest palace in the whole Africa a central region Ghana and the war. Why a shock man can't win. Thank you sir wo hwe me ahaye KwakuSmart TV me da se waje bre na watu video channel no ato KwakuSmart TV edi am just KwakuSmart ede ye be hwehwemu na emom me di utu fan akọ central region eye mfimfini mantemu ni akohwe ehono mo palace kese a ye kan Africa eno anedi kan no ye koye hwehwemu aye pensempes na na mabiebie ni ma bi so akyerew na wo se Ghana ye waze oye ya started. It's what him say central region a mfimfini mantemu omo palace no ekita 7.5 acres of land. The whole Ghana, the whole Africa, Billy baby 7.5 acres of land. Do you know that? Now when him anwanwa dia eyame nwanwa ne se ehono mu uduru hono ma umfa wani say ehu asase. All the place is green. Aye green grass nnua ana ye dua any green grass ya fair. That's 7.5 acres of land no baby abefe bia nya dia wo de wo nampo betia form anampo se wo di wani ebehu asase anase land no na mo baby aye green grass and nnua ho fe papa ho fe palace way ana the whole Africa ye kan edikan palace way the whole Africa, not even Ghana but the whole Africa. We are secret me atosu mienu anase miensa eye ASSIN KUSHEA palace. ASSIN KUSHEA palace. Yes, even nana mpaboa a wɔhyɛ nana mpaboa a ɔhyɛ nkoa no ɛno nkoa ɛwɔ 3 rooms, 3 masters rooms. You can masters room a minim sɛ woni masters room ɛyɛ nana ne mpaboa a wɔhyɛ ne mpaboa a wɔhyɛ nkoa no ɔmo paake egu 3 rooms, 3 masters rooms. Hey, abusia, what's that? Ana why you hwehwemu ahuda? Dabi the whole Africa ibi ni baby ya. Na so KwakuSmart ma ye hwehwemu ana me de brɛw. Ni chance, ni niema odigu ni nsa, ya kanu jewelries. Baby ya digu nkoa, 2 masters rooms. Ana ye paki saa ne niema no ekogu 2 masters rooms. Asemu ye nwanwa. Asemu ye nwanwa. Hey! Abusia ensemu hye ho no mo. Why na ka kire wo se Ghana ha? Yini ne mapa. There is a big conference rooms. Big conference rooms. Palace yo. We a palace. We your hotel asem na America. We a guest house. Enya mall an America. Palace asem na America. Ahimfie. There is a big conference rooms. Ewo honomo. Eye ASSIN KUSHEA Central Region of Ghana. Mfimfini mantemu. Na adia ewo honoma eye me nwanwa pa eni. Do you know that they have a mortuary at that palace? I was shocked when I found this. Mortuary ewo palace Africa. Palace ben and was a mortuary ewo palace honomo Africa. Ye ka mortuary baby a sebi ubika baby a ye de ne kwoshe. ASSIN KUSHEA Central Region of Ghana. Omo wo mortuary ewo sa palace ho. Enya nwanwa. Abusia, do you know that there is a mini parliament at that palace? There is a mini parliament at that palace. Are you not shocked? Africa ha ehemfa palace ben and I'll be to media compare ASSIN KUSHEA palace. At the same palace honum na court essential enya court wa eye court kitwa wo. ayiko money yo mabojuma ama oman Ghana mabojuma ama ebibi man Africa abusia ye tamukuchu afei ana yebewura into details. Do you know that they have more visitors rooms at that palace? Yes. Are you shocked? I say asemsi sisi ana sebe ye ka se bibimra asemsi na se ye ka se Ghana fo nyina po ye kɔ hɔ no ma minia half of Ghana yibenya baby ada e was sa palace hɔ no and sem e wo hɔ no se yanka Ghana uhu se ye waze wo ye da ASSIN KUSHEA money yo nana money adwuma obo adwuma ma man Ghana enya bibi man. And also there is a big ground dabber that can take more than 5,000 people. Hey adewe ye nwanwa ASSIN KUSHEA the central region of Ghana oma bojuma palace ya me kan wo se onko order ebeya wo se ebia ne America no meboa na se bidibi ka ho palace ho no mo efe ho nwanwa udru ho no ma ase idin trom ana wonam udru ho no ma niema efe udru ho no ma ase like onam heaven ho fe ASSIN KUSHEA palace ASSIN KUSHEA palace mfifi mantemu e wo man Ghana ha se ene omo palace abakwasem ana America ase kamya ye say omo na ye the biggest palace in Ghana, the biggest palace in Africa. Now so ye yomo si hono ma ase omo nkasa omo ye low key. Now so low key nkofo no wo niema. Omo bedi o man Ghana so pen. Omo bedi o man Ghana so pen. ASSIN KUSHEA omo bedi o man Ghana so pen. Ntokwa kese e course nyina akora no omo dinkunimu pen. Omo dinkunimu pen. They also have a runabout in the palace. Runabout too. And yes, Kotoka International Airport asem na mi kayo. We enye ye kan say pokwase interchange na mi kayo. We eye ahimfia asem na mi kay. Palace asem. A whole palace, they have a big runabout in that palace. Hey, what a shock. Now you didn't have mukutu near Eban ebe shock you. Near Eban ebe shock you. They also have more than 10 fountains in the palace. More than 10 fountains in the palace. Yaka fountains are. Akwa say baby as a unse ubedru Western small na say nsuo bi pie free sure bi pie free form and your friend fountains. Baby I said oma decorate oma design say e ho no ye different place bi as nsuo pie free ho no mo as you know e ho enu bi omo more than 10 our palace ho no e ho fe papa. A whole fair papa one day call excursion wa honom na fa wani ekohwade ube hu se Ghana ye wazi oye ade a eya me nwanwa a me hu ye me bobrim a shocking me pa say they also have a fish pond. And yes, I may can empoano and answer may can ebia fish pond bia obi aya ni Kyekyeku ya ni chop money biu. We a fish pond bia esune dimu fish pond bia minia se omo kaso mu to mu na mu pa e betina taking care of half of Ghana. Fish pond esu fish pond just omo di dwuma etumi bua oman etumi bua kuro no. That fish pond is found in ASSIN KUSHEA Palace, the central region of Ghana. Mfimfi mantem ewo oman Ghana we yemu ebibimemu hanomo. Ebusuya enwanwa o. Even they also have a car park that can take more than 1,000 cars. A car park that can take more than 1,000 cars. Hey! Now even the land alone is 7.5 acres of land. 7.5 acres of land. And they have a place for car parks that can take more than 1,000 cars. Are you not shocked? This place is found in Ghana here. The central region of Ghana. ASSIN KUSHEA. Adia me hu ya eye me wanwa na me ye shock pa and say there is an underground rooms in that palace. Are you not shocked? Adia we ye wanwa. Adia we wanwa underground rooms. Chairman, me say palace ho no pe ani na kohwe ASSIN KUSHEA Palace e be shock you. E ho no na udru ho no ma e be ya wo say like unam the Garden of Eden. E be ya wo say unam like as unam US garden beam and as a heaven po obian ko heaven da na so ma me fa heaven example because e ho no mo afeyi na asase 7.5 acres a wo hu from wo hu asase na emom green grass enua yedua wo mu bibia ye green at that place afei wahwe wenu mu nyina wie no ma yendi kunkunsa bi wa ha no fa waso ben me na me kengu waso unim say there is a zoo at that palace. A zoo. When you Kumasi zoo, when you Accra Achimota zoo, na we ASSIN KUSHEA Palace Zoo. A zoo no, a mua who be a woyasi bia obenya bi wo hono zoo a hokwa zoo ana wokwa lion mi be wias me family lion da nanso Ghana hanomo ASSIN KUSHEA Palace a hono na lion zebra elephant na woni keko momone chese bibia e wo zoo hono mu bi keko momone we enye konkonsa mi kagu waso secrets. Me sure say ensema makachire wo nyina mabobɔ ne naposo summarize ne mabɔ ne tofa ma wo nyina wo hu adwiri kakra awsi agu na wonim say Ghana ye wo ne ma bi saa e wa ha sei ye wo ne ma papa e wo oman Ghana mu ensema ya meka ye nyina is found in Ghana here which is ASSIN KUSHEA Palace the central region of Ghana asema meke ebia obeye wadwen say ebia meka ne keke nanso se wodi wani kwahwa media se wodi wani kwahwa ubehu se nia meka ne pomario ye woni ma bebre hono ma mankana sa ASSIN hono mankasa no ankasa central region hono mankasa ASSIN hono mo nankasa minua empenifo efiri hono se mebobɔ kire wa ubeye shop empenifo kesia bi firi hono magana ha ye kesikafo atitiri wa ASSIN ana omugu hwan ne ka kire wo se ASSIN fo omuso enni nipa e wo ma we mu se Ghana hampo ye rankia kese ye de wo mu ne dikan nanso bibi nti omo mpekasa ASSIN fo mpom ho asem enu nti loki nanso omo ye niema secret odia tenasidin say even adesua shase free central region tenasidin na odia dwene ho adesua shase free central region nanso enenga no na me wa ha enne me bai say me beka the palace of ASSIN KUSHEA the central region of Ghana and KwakuSmart. Thank you for watching me. May you acquire the S, brother, discover the city, so that this eliminate the East, fight and forget the S. But I said that you are sharing. Message over subscribe to my YouTube account and I'm number notification bell. The surface to follow me, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And KwakuSmart TV. Dear me, just KwakuSmart. Thank you for watching me, my crowd.